Hello everyone, I'm Viz. Welcome to day 8 of the 30-day beginner yoga challenge. In today's class, we'll continue working with familiar foundational poses, but the main focus will be on diaphragmatic breathing. Breath control is one of the most essential part of yoga practice. You'll need 2 yoga blocks for this session. Once you're ready, let's begin. Step to the front of your mat, bring your feet together, and come into mountain pose. Feel the connection through your feet. Engage your legs, align your pelvis, lift through your torso, reaching up through the crown of your head. Keep your gaze forward and steady. On your next inhale, raise your arms out to the sides and up. Interlace your fingers overhead, left thumb on top, palms turning upward. Lift your heels off the ground, press your palms toward the sky, and feel your whole body lengthen upward. Exhale, slowly lower your heels. Keep your arms lifted. Exhale, bend gently to the right, stretching through your left side. Inhale, come back to center. Release your arms down by your sides. Relax your shoulders. Inhale, lift your arms out to the side and up. This time, right thumb on top, interlace your fingers. Turn your palms to face the sky. Straighten your elbows and come into upward salute. Inhale, press your palms up. Lift your heels slightly. Lengthen through your whole body. Feel your toes grounding down as your hands reaching higher. Exhale, slowly lower your heels. Take one steady breath. Exhale, bend gently to the left. Inhale, return to center. Exhale, release your arms down by your sides. Place your hands on your hips and come into half forward fold. Lead with your chest as you fold forward, keeping your spine long and your gaze slightly forward. Feel the stretch along the back of your legs and lengthen back through your sit bones. On your next exhale, place your hands on the mat and step your feet back into plank pose. Press your hands firmly into the floor. Draw your navel slightly in, keeping your lower back flat and stable. Engage your legs, press through your heels. Toes tucked under, gaze between your hands. Steady your breath. Exhale, lower your knees to the mat. Come into child's pose. Press your hands gently into the mat, release your back, and let your hips sink towards your heels, softening the shoulders and calming the breath. On your next inhale, lift your head, transition into downward facing dog. Spread your fingers wide. Press your palms down and lengthen your spine back and up. Tuck your chin slightly toward your chest, feeling the stretch through your back. If your back is flat, see if your knees can straighten a little more. You can shift your feet slightly back to deepen the stretch in your hamstring. Adjust to your own comfort. Inhale, step your right foot to the inside of your right hand. Drop your left knee to the mat. Release the back foot flat. Inhale, right hand to your knee, left hand to your hip. Lift your chest. Come into low lunge. Feel your belly draw in slightly. Chest open. Gaze forward. Press your right hand gently into your knee for support. Exhale. Bring both hands back to the mat. Step back into downward facing dog again. Feet parallel. Take 2 or 3 deep breaths, lengthening through your spine, finding balance and strength. Now for the other side. Inhale. Step your left foot forward inside your left hand. Lower your right knee and place the top of the foot flat on the mat. Inhale. Left hand to your knee, right hand to your hip. Lift up through your chest into low lunge. Ground through the top of your back foot and the inner edge of your front foot. Keep your pelvis steady, core engaged, and gaze forward. Exhale, bring your hands down. Step back to downward dog. Check your alignment. Extend through your spine. Take a 2 slow breaths here and rest. Inhale, step your right foot forward inside your right hand. Come into runner's lunge. Tuck your left toes under and press your left heel back. Your right knee stacks above your ankle, fingertips pressing into the mat. Chest reaching forward, gaze forward. Engage your left thigh and lift it up. Feeling strength and stability in both legs. Keep your breath steady and spine long. Now plant your left palm firmly down. Inhale. Open your right shoulder and reach your right arm up. Press through your left hand. Reach upward through your right fingertips. And let the twist begin from your abdomen. Keep your legs strong. Your gaze can turn toward your top hand. Exhale. Lower your right hand back to the mat. Step your right leg back into downward facing dog. Press your palms evenly into the floor. Draw your chin slightly in and lengthen your spine. Check that your feet are parallel. Adjust if needed. Take 2 deep breaths here. Now step your left foot forward inside your left hand. Adjust your right toes, sliding the foot slightly back. Come into runner's lunge. Make sure your left knee points straight ahead and press the inner edge of your left foot down. Extend through your right leg. Lift the thigh and look forward, feeling strength and balance through your legs. Place your right palm on the mat. Inhale, lift your left arm up. Gaze toward your left fingertips and feel the twist begin from your abdomen. Engage your inner thighs and find your center line and open your chest. Exhale, lower your left hand to the mat. Step your left foot back into downward facing dog. Press through your palms. Lengthen your spine and deepen your breath. Now lower your knees. Sink your hips back to your heels, coming into child's pose. You might feel your breath quickening from the flow, so take a few long, steady breaths here. Let the body soften and rest quietly. Inhale, lift your head, tuck your toes, Come into downward facing dog. Take a moment here to lengthen through your spine. Inhale, look forward between your hands. Step your feet toward the front of the mat. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, fold deeper, feeling the stretch in your hamstrings. Bend your knees slightly, and on your next inhale, roll up slowly to standing. Lift your arms overhead. Exhale, hands to heart. Return to mountain pose, arms down by your sides. Now step your right foot back. Square your hips forward, toes flexed. Setting up for Warrior 1, chest facing the front. Take a breath here to find stability. Exhale, bend your left knee forward. Keeping your right leg strong and straight. Inhale, lift your arms overhead, lengthening through your torso. Stay here. Ground through your feet. Draw your belly in and lift your chest. Keep your gaze steady and breathe deeply. Inhale, straighten your left leg. Exhale, bring your hands down. Step your right foot forward and return to standing. Take a deep breath and prepare for Warrior 1 on the left side. Step your left foot back, flex your toes. Square your hips toward the front. Lift through your spine. Keep both legs strong and stable. Gently press your left hip forward, chest open and facing front. Exhale, bend your right knee. Hold here. Engage your left thigh. Keep your right leg strong. Lift your chest and gaze forward. Steady and calm. Inhale, straighten your right leg. Step your left foot forward. Return to standing. Now let's move into tree pose. Bend your left knee. Place your left foot on the inside of your right thigh. Bring your palms together at your heart. Gaze softly at one steady point in front of you. Let your breath calm your mind. If your body wobbles, that's okay. It's part of finding balance. Stay focused. Feel grounded and steady. Inhale, release your left foot. Lower it down. Now switch sides. Bring your right foot to the inner left thigh. Hands together at your heart. Find stillness. Your physical balance reflects your mental balance. Lift up through the crown of your head. Press down through your standing foot. Stay calm and steady. Inhale, release your right foot and return to standing. Now come to a comfortable cross-legged seat. Sit tall, lengthen your spine, and let your shoulders soften. Today we'll learn diaphragmatic breathing, also known as abdominal breathing. It's the foundation of all breathing techniques, and the most natural way your body was designed to breathe. The key muscle here is the diaphragm, a thin dome-shaped muscle separating your chest and abdomen. When you inhale, the diaphragm moves downward, gently pressing your abdominal organs, causing your belly to rise. As you exhale, It relaxes upward, and the air naturally flows out. Many people breathe by lifting their chest or shoulders. That's a sign of tension. True diaphragmatic breathing invites ease, calm, and grounding. It helps to activate the parasympathetic nervous system, reducing stress and anxiety, lower heart rate and blood pressure, support digestion by gently massaging the internal organs, and improves focus, sleep, and overall emotional balance. Place one or both hands on your abdomen, close your eyes, and start by simply observing your breath. As you inhale, notice your belly gently rising. As you exhale, feel it softly fall. Don't try to control anything. Just watch the natural rhythm. Let each breath be like an ocean wave, coming and going on its own. If your body feels tense or your mind distracted, it's completely fine. You can even lie down if that feels easier. The goal is not perfection, but presence. As you breathe, remind yourself you're not forcing the breath in. It's the air gently flowing into you. Let your nervous system soften and let go of effort. If it feels natural, you can exhale through the mouth first, listening the sound of the breath leaving the body. Then gradually return to breathing through your nose. Now take 3 mindful breaths together. Inhale. Feel your belly expand. Exhale. Release tension. Let go. Inhale again. Fill up fully. Exhale. Empty. Relax. One last deep breath. In. And out. Stay here for a few more moments. Notice the stillness within you. This practice is not only about breathing, it's about learning to be gentle and present with yourself. Thank you for joining day 8 of our 30-day yoga challenge. If you have any questions or want to share your experience, leave a comment below. Carry this sense of calm into the rest of your day. My name is Viz. I'll see you tomorrow. Namaste.